What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back for another search engine optimization tip video. In today's tip video, I'll be walking through orphan pages, what they are, and how to fix them. So in a nutshell, an orphan page is basically any web page on your website that has no internal links pointing to it. Orphan pages are bad for SEO simply because if there are no internal links pointing to a page, then it's nearly impossible for Google to find, crawl, and index that page, which will prevent it from appearing in the search results and ranking for keywords. Finding orphan pages is super simple. My preferred method is to use the tool Screaming Frog, which is a technical audit tool that is a staple in the SEO industry. So what you want to do is plug your website URL into Screaming Frog. They do offer a free version that crawls up to 500 URLs, as well as a paid version that has unlimited crawling. But once you download the software and plug in your URL, you want to start the crawl. And Screaming Frog will basically just crawl every single URL on your website. So once it's done, all you have to do is go into reports and select orphan pages and export it as either a CSV or an Excel workbook. You can even do Google Sheets as well. I'm going to save it. And then pull up the list. It will show you any orphan pages that exist on your website. Let me just click out of there. So once you have that list, it's super simple to fix orphan pages. All you have to do is include internal links that point to those pages, and that will resolve the problem. So hopefully you found this quick tip video to be helpful. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all for the next search engine optimization tip video.